Yo, what's happening everyone? Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? I hope you have a great day. Since you are having a great day and me, I'm having a dope and amazing day. So for further talking, well, today we're gonna check out the 4 Android apps of the week. And these are my Android apps. They're both utility, they're both something which is so awesome. I don't want to break or spoil alert. I just want you guys to enjoy it. Now for further ado, let's get started. So our monthly app of today goes to Dolby. Well, talking about Dolby, how much it works, well, it works so great. Now I'm going to share with you guys the sound which I'm going to record. And as you can see guys, what it does, it takes out the sound first. So this is my voice recording using the Dolby app, and it's something which is so great about it. The user interface is so robust, you cannot tell how much it is. It's something which is so fluidy. Now I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to play the sound, not the video but the sound actually. So here's my voice. So this is my voice recording using the Dolby app, and it's something which is so great about it. The user interface is so robust, you cannot tell how much it is. It's something which is so fluidy. I'm gonna stop. Okay, as you can see how much it records, you can still pause and you can see still go to the vocals. So all these kind of vocals, they are here. You can just select anything you want. When it comes to natural sound, you can just play. You can see the lyrical, you can see each kind of different kind of stuff. You can just use it here. You can see the noisy reduction. You can even allow the noisy reduction to be on using the Dolby app, and it's something which is so great about it. So that's how much you can use the Dolby. I'm so happy about this app. So I'm gonna just discard there, and you can even create a video, a short video like on your video there, and select it. So I can play. So this is my voice recording using the Dolby app, and it's something which is so great about it. The user interface is so robust, you cannot tell how much it is. It's something which is so fluidy. So that's it about the Dolby app. It's something which is so great. Our second app of the list of today goes to Adobe Capture. Now on this kind of app, well, it does a lot of things. Now what it can do is just that it can take a lot of pictures, but from here you can see there's nothing. But I'm gonna upload any picture I have on my camera roll. So I'm gonna go all the way to the camera roll and we'll select a picture like this one. Now you can see it tells you which color you have, and you can even migrate the colors you want and see what type of color it can show you on the top upper panel, which is something which is so great. You can go all the way to shapes, and you can see it creates a vector shape, which is so good. You can control the vector shape as much as you want, and you can even go all the way to coloring, which is something which is so great. You can select patterns. You can see how much the patterns it is. If this is your thing, you can just click tick, then you can just scroll down and try to adjust how much the pattern it is. You can even scroll and you can see how much you can control the patterns, which is something which is so great about the Adobe Capture, and you can check it out. It's so great. The third app of the list goes to Lumii. Well, to be honest, Lumii is something which is so great, and is my go-to-go app for photo editing. So I'm gonna select any picture I want. Like I can select this one, which is something which is so great. I can select any filter I want. You can see we have different types of filters you can select there. So if you purchase the premium version, you can unlock all those kind of presets, LUTs and stuff like that. You can even have effects on your app. You can see I'm gonna make it look old school. You can control how much you want on that kind of old school layout. You can just select many things as quickly as possible. The adjustments, the contrasty. I know this is just like normal stuff, but to be honest, this is something which is so great. The convex, you see how much it is, it's popping up, which is something which is so legit. So this is the Lumii, and it's something which is so great. Jumping out to another kind of last app of the list is called the Wavelet, which is something which is so great, or you can call it the Wavelet. Now Wavelet, what it does, you can play any music on your phone. Especially when it comes to me, I can use just Spotify and play that music. And if I go to Wavelet, I'm gonna reduce the sound. You see, now if I undo the Wavelet, the sounds, they'll just change. But if I click the Wavelet, it changes everything. You can click on the presets, you can select anything you want, let me just pause the music. It's kind of like distracting me. So you can select all the equalizers you want. You can just pumping in, you know what I'm saying? So when it comes to equalizer, this is the best app to go. It's called the Wavelet, so you can check it out, guys. It's something which is so awesome. Yo, I hope you enjoyed on that kind of amazing kind of top 4 Android apps. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Android apps. And something which is so great, don't miss out with the Dolby recording app, because it's something which is so great. I'm gonna give you guys like a tip. Well, if you are a podcaster making some podcasts like me, usually do that, and this is the way to go using only your smartphone. You use the Anchor.fm to produce your podcast there, or publish it there, and probably you're gonna use Dolby Up, which is gonna help you out throughout recording. And something which is so great about it, I love it, is the noise reduction. Man, I think we're saying goodbye to the microphones, to be honest, but still microphones are still there, but to be honest, the Dolby app of recording nailed it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed on this kind of amazing tech video, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and don't hesitate to subscribe to your homeboy here, share some love. It will be something which is so great, and I'll see you guys on the next one. As always, peace